Another beautifully simple and absolutely delicious recipe from my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy anywhere. I love this. I'm starting out with 2.5 cups of chopped potatoes, about 1/4 cup of olive oil, 3 chopped garlic cloves, a tablespoon of fresh rosemary from my garden, a teaspoon of salt, that's sea salt, lots of ground pepper, I'm mixing this up and I'm preheating my toaster oven to 350. Covering with foil. Yeah, it's wrinkly. I reuse my foil when I can. Wrinkly but good, like me. Popping the potatoes in my toaster oven. 50 minutes at 350. The potatoes are beautifully done. Wonderful garlicky flavor, accented by the rosemary. There are over 250 wonderful recipes just for your toaster oven in my cookbook, Pop It in the Toaster Oven. The copies don't usually come with post-its saying, do a video of this recipe next.